baby talc. I'm not surprised babies cry when you put it on them. See that? It's I don't know if that's European or American or worldwide, but this is a Svitzel. It's Dutch or German or whatever. And I've been using it recently because as I'm getting older, my jugs are hanging a little bit lower. And I'm getting a lot of sweat underneath, so I've been using it to keep under my jugs a little bit dry. If you don't understand what jugs is, Google it. So I've been putting some talc underneath my jugs to keep away the moisture. Oh my God, and it stings. Oh my God, this shit stings. And you put that on babies' asses when they've got a nappy rash or whatever. I'm not surprised a baby cries when you put it on them. Really. I put this in about 5 minutes ago and it's still stinging. Jesus. Keep this away from your babies. I suggest use Sudocrem instead. This is painful, just for me. Well, at least I can explain how I feel. A baby can't. What a load of crap.